Today we are going to discuss exercise 15.1 Mathematics class 10th NCERT chapter number 15 probability page number 308. First question, complete the following statements. First, probability of an event E plus probability of the event not E is equal blank. Answer is 1. Earlier we studied probability of PE plus probability of not E is equal 1. So our answer is 1. Second, the probability of an event that cannot happen is cannot happen, that means we will get only 0. If we say a dice throw and we will get 8. So it is not possible. That is why if an event that cannot happen is 0. And that type event is called impossible event. What? Impossible event. Third, the probability of an event that is certain to happen is certain to happen, that means probability is 1. Probability is 1. And that type's event we will call sure or certain event. Sure or certain event. Question number 4th. The sum of the probabilities of all the event of an experiment is 1. We learn already it is a 1 because we know that if we toss coin we will get probability 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equal 1. Next, 5th, the probability of an event is greater than or equal to blank and less than or equal to blank. If you remember, we already studied probability P of E is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. So our answer is 0 and 1. Next question. Now question number 2nd. Which of the following experiments have equally likely outcomes? Equally likely outcomes. First, a driver attempts to start a car. The car starts or does not start. Here so many possibilities is there because it's depend so many things, like it's depend on various factors such as whether the car will start or not, and factors for both the condition are not the same. Sometime engine is not work, sometime we missed something, like that things is there, that is why it is a unlikely event. Second, a player attempts to shoot a basketball. She or he shoots or misses the shoot. Here we are not sure he and she, he or she. So we can't say ability. That is why it is also unequally likely outcomes. Third, a trial is made to answer a true-false question. The answer is right or wrong. Here only two possibilities, false and true. Second one, right or wrong. So this is a equally likely outcome because we will get probability 1 by 2 in both cases. Same question number 4th. A baby is born. It is a boy or a girl. Here also only two possibilities, nothing else. So we will get only 1 by 2. It is also equally likely outcome. Conclusion. First and second unequally likely, and third and fourth like equally likely outcome. Question number third. Why is tossing a coin considered to be a fair way of deciding which team should get the ball at the beginning of a football game? We know if we toss coin, only two outcomes will come, head or tail, which are equally likely outcomes. Therefore, the result of an individual toss is completely unpredictable. Next question, question number 4. Which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? A. 2 by 3, B. minus 1.5, C. 15% and D. 0.7. Here you see 2 by 3. Yes, it is a probability because we will by 3. 2 by 3 is equal something 0.6. And we know the probability of an event is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. That is why it is a probability. Second, minus 1.5. Minus 1.5 is a negative number. That is why our answer is no, because it always getting greater than 0 and here minus 1.5 is smaller than 0. Now move third question, 15%. 15% is nothing. 15% is nothing but 15 divided by 100 is greater than 0. That's why our answer is yes, it is a probability. Conclusion, minus 1.5 cannot be a probability of an event because minus 1.5 is smaller than 0. And according to our definition, we learned probability of an event is always greater than or equal to 0. Question number 5. If probability of E is equal 0.05, what is the probability of not E? We know probability of an event E plus probability of the event not E is equal 1. So, probability of not E is equal 1 minus probability of E. That is why probability of not E is equal 1 minus 0.05. So, our answer is 0.95. The probability of not E is equal 0.95. Now, question number 6. The bag contains lemon flavor candies only. Which flavor? Lemon flavored only. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability that she take out first? An orange flavored candy. We know bag content only lemon flavor. That is why it is not possible. It is an impossible event. So, our probability is 0. And second, a lemon flavored candy. So, we know lemon content only lemon flavored. That is why our probability is 1. So, an orange flavored candy 0, a lemon flavored candy 1. Thank you, students.